Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Eat. In this video, I will guide you on how to enable sharing on Google Keep. So if you also want to enable sharing on Google Keep, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open your Google Keep application. You can see over here Google Keep is opened. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you can see option for 3 lines. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here several options will be shown. At second last you can see option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several settings options. You can see display options, reminder defaults and sharing. Under the sharing option you can see option for enable sharing. You can see over here sharing is already enabled in mine. If it is not enabled, all you have to do is toggle this button right over here. Now your sharing is enabled. So that is how you enable sharing on Google Keep. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.